Cake-o-Matic 1000i. If you are ever tired to make a cake, probably know that final decoration may be pretty time consuming. Needless to say, at the factories that produce a huge number of confectionery products per minute too, everything must happen fast, so they use professional equipment. Like the machine you're seeing, the Cake-o-Matic L100i, was developed by the specialist of the Canadian company Unifil, a system specifically to take on the most of the task of cake decoration, like applying a layer of sugar or chocolate frosting. The machine is very precise and can be useful for a wide range of tasks. For example, it can apply cream between two layers or perform the finishing decoration, covering the cake on the top and on the sides with a smooth, neat layer of frosting. Amazingly, the machine can decorate 7 cakes. On average, it takes under 2 seconds to cover top and sides of the cake. Zotzandhonees. Here we can see how Zotz fizzing candy is made. Zotz is a fizzy candy with a sour center, manufactured by GV Ambrosoli in Italy since 1968. Many factories go in what the famous Zotz fizzing candies taste like. Their flavors include apple cherry, watermelon, blue raspberry, strawberry grape, and orange. Selmi CONCA 200-400. The Cell 200 and 400. Our most loyal viewers know that chocolate production is a much more complex than it seems at first glance. There are several steps, as this machine is responsible for. One of them we are talking about the counting processes, which redistributes the dry cocoa and removes acidity from the chocolate, as conching is the final stage of the chocolate preparation, and its duration depends on the type of chocolate, and can last up to 8 to 24 hours. This long mixing process promotes flavor development, and the product finally acquires the taste we all know and love. Generally, it's not a complex procedure. A special stirrer placed at the center of a warm tank continuously rotates, saturating the mass with oxygen. However, these are the best counting machines in the market. They allow shortening the counting time while obtaining a product with incomparable scent notes, all thanks to a special inertial system, which uses 2 shafts instead of 1. And the model is different from each other in the capacity of the tanks, which is 200 and 350 kilograms. KitKat. KitKat has always been a firm favorite, made from water and chocolate since 1935. Their Ibaraki, Japan factory consists of barking, molding, and packaging products for Nestlé. Mechanical robots' arms accurately transfer materials to advance their productivity. Beetle's factory in Japan, and has introduced over 300 different flavors since 2000. Pavan. Pavan machines are part of a production line, are probably the most aesthetic professional production equipment in the world. In case you don't know, a production line is a group of machines that works together while the product moves through several conveyor belts. The production line consists of a large number of different machines that can easily perform a complete production cycle. It all starts with raw materials, which turn into a product ready for consumption or a sale. Almost you see in the mall or supermarket is made on production lines. And there are companies engaged in the design and assembly of production lines. For other companies right now, you are seeing a pasta production line. The Italian company Pavan Group are exactly the division known as Mapping Candy. Developed this production line. It's noteworthy that this equipment suitable not only for working with pasta but also snacks and cornflakes. After all, the work is practically the same. The machines prepare the dough and then turn into a delicious product. The production line can be adjusted depending on the size of the final product. There are machines responsible for portioning, extruders, dispensers, vibrating pre-dyeing devices, coolers, and much more.